Are you just experimenting with ChatGPT for fun, or are you building automated workflows that save you hours every week? Here's the truth. Most people have no idea where they actually stand with AI. Some people think they are advanced because they use ChatGPT to write emails. Others don't realize they are just scratching the surface, leaving massive opportunities on the table. That's exactly why I created the AI Skills Quiz. Stick around because in this video, I'll walk through what the quiz covers, why your score matters, and it provides you with a personalized roadmap to unlock your next level of AI potential. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. Why this quiz exists. Here's the problem. AI is everywhere right now. Every tool, every platform, every job description seems to have AI powered slapped on it. Yet there's a significant difference between knowing AI exists and actually utilizing it strategically in your daily life and work. Think about it. Are you using AI just to rephrase emails? Or are you designing systems where AI does the heavy lifting while you focus on higher value work? This AI skills quiz helps you answer that question honestly. It doesn't just test random trivia about AI models or tech jargon. Instead, it focuses on how you actually think, what you'll learn. When you take the quiz, you'll uncover three big things. First, what you're doing well. Maybe you've nailed prompting or you're great at using AI for brainstorming. 2, where you're underusing AI, areas where you could be saving time, but you are not. And 3, and most importantly, what to do next. You'll walk away with your AI superpower score, a number between 1 and 100 that shows exactly where you stand. Think of it like a fitness test for your brain's relationship with AI. The score highlights your strengths, your blind spots, and your growth path. Who is this quiz for? Now maybe you're wondering, okay, but is this quiz actually for me? The answer is yes. No matter where you are on your AI journey, it can help you. If you're a beginner, the quiz gives you clarity and confidence. You will see simple ways to start using AI without feeling overwhelmed. If you're an explorer already experimenting with AI in your work, you will discover new use cases to expand your toolkit. And if you are advanced or a trailblazer already automating workflows and pushing boundaries, this quiz still shows you where you can optimize further and unlock advanced strategies. So whether you're just starting or already leading the way, this AI skills quiz meets you where you are. Why it matters. Most people are either underusing AI or using it inefficiently. That means wasted time, missed opportunities, and falling behind while others get ahead. Your personalized feedback from this quiz will help you in 3 main ways. Number 1, use AI more creatively. Number 2, apply it more strategically. And number 3, get results that actually move the needle in your work and your life. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter with AI as your partner. And the best part, it just takes a couple of minutes. You'll know your score today, what you'll get. When you finish, here's what you'll walk away with. Your AI superpower score out of 100. A clear snapshot of where your strengths and areas that are untapped. Actionable feedback on how to use AI more effectively. Tailored tips to level up your skills in both work and life. This isn't generic advice on AI, it's customized to how actually you answered. That way you'll get practical steps you can use immediately. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. Do you really know how well you're using AI right now? Don't guess. Don't assume. Get the clarity you need to grow. Please click on the link below to take the AI skills quiz today. It's free, it's fast, and it just might change how you work forever. The future is not about who knows AI exists, it's about who knows how to actually use it well. Thank you for watching. Until next time.